And welcome back to Idaho Today. The open enrollment period is here, and for individuals and families, this is a time of year to evaluate and make changes to your health insurance plan. We know everyone out there has a different health needs, so it's important to know what to look for in the right plan for you and your family. Select Health is here to help and give us tips to find that plan. We're joined right now by Trent Nate from Select Health. Great to have you here.
Thanks for having me.
All right, so explain, what is Select Health?
Yeah, Select Health is a health insurance company. We're actually a not-for-profit health insurance company. We insure over 1 million members in 4 states, actually. So Idaho, Utah, Nevada, and now even Colorado. So been doing this a while. Been providing insurance coverage for 40 years. And been in Idaho for almost a decade. So we have offices in Meridian, we have offices over in Idaho Falls. And I simply mention that because we live and work and play in the communities that we serve. So super happy to be here and have a long legacy of quality.
Fantastic. And you've been helping people for a long time, as mentioned.
Yes.
So we're in the middle of open enrollment right now. Explain some important dates that people need to keep in mind.
Yeah, so as you'd mentioned, we're right in the middle of open enrollment. And the deadline that folks need to be aware of is December 15th.
Okay.
That's the last day that you can make a plan choice for a January 1 effective date that will carry you throughout the plan year 2024. So December 15th is the big one.
All right. And so right now is the time to act and really start looking at evaluating those health plans. Sure. When it comes to evaluating those health plans, though, what are some things that people really need to keep in mind?
Yeah, there's a lot to consider. It can be pretty overwhelming. But really, we try to recommend boiling it down to a few key things.
Okay.
One is identifying what premium savings you might have available to you through tax credits.
Okay.
And you can do that through yourhealthidaho.org. That's a great place to either, if you're new, or to reevaluate your tax credit status. Secondly, you want to make sure that you've got proper network alignment. What we mean by that is making sure that your doctors are in the network. So we provide plans that offer access and alignment through St. Luke's or through St. Alphonsus. So we've got a variety of plan options, but you want to make sure you've got network alignment. Of course, you want to make sure your prescription drugs are covered. Each plan covers drugs a little bit differently. So if you're on some prescriptions, you want to make sure they're covered. And lastly is kind of the extra benefits. Things like telehealth, things like saving money on prescriptions. And probably the one we're most excited about that is relatively unique, or very unique to Select Health, is we provide a wellness incentive where we'll give you a reimbursement towards a gym membership, for example, or give you $20 a month if you're averaging over 7,000 steps a month. So we want people to be healthy, also want them to be incentivized and rewarded for those healthy behaviors.
I like that.
Yeah.
All right. And is there anything else, too, that's new for Select Health for 2024 that our viewers should know about?
Yeah, I'm glad you asked. So I just mentioned the gym reimbursement.
Yeah.
We've actually expanded that. So you can use it on things like acupuncture, yoga, and so just add more flexibility. How you can apply those dollars is up to $240 per person per year. So
excellent.
Yeah.
Okay, I like that. Okay, and also, though, remind our viewers how they can make sure that they're finding the right plan for them. Can they call? Can they visit somebody?
For sure. Yeah, we don't want anybody going at it alone.
Gotcha.
There's a variety of things. You can call us directly. Also, we highly recommend utilizing independent insurance agents in the community. They're wildly talented. They're very smart. They know all the plan options. They also represent multiple companies. And then Your Health Idaho is also a really good resource for folks. Again, establish that tax credit, shop plans, and get clarity on what makes the most sense.
Wonderful. And where can people go to learn more and start their evaluation and picking the right plan for them?
Yeah, Your Health Idaho is probably the best place to start. Okay. Again, reach out to a local agent or call us. We're always happy to answer questions. We've got our answer team of experts that are readily available.
Wonderful. Trent, thank you so much. Greatly appreciate it. As mentioned, we're in the middle of enrollment right now. December 15th is that deadline, right?
December 15th. Don't miss it.
Don't miss it. So don't delay.
No.
Start the evaluation now. Make sure you're picking the right plan so then you're off on the right direction for 2024. I love the fact that you reimburse for acupuncture and stuff like that, too.
Yeah.
That's great.
Great.
Yeah, that's really good. Okay, everyone, stick around. We have a lot more to come right here on Idaho Today right after the break.